What is going on? All right, friends. Again, I am in Colorado. This time I am in Arvada. Am I saying Arvada? Arvada. I'm probably going to screw that up in this video more. But anyways, I'm now down with Taylor with Davis Tents. Now, if you're not familiar with Davis Tents has been making super high quality canvas tents since 1955. And right behind me here, this is a 10 by 10. This is your Go tent, right?
Correct.
And Taylor, I've talked him into getting in front of camera because he has spent some serious time in this tent. And what he's going to do is we're going to do a walkthrough, look at all the details with this tent, and you're going to tell us a little bit about it, correct?
Absolutely.
All right, here we go.
So the Go tent, this is the original one. We designed this in 2019. This is the fastest setup canvas tent that you can really buy. So first off, we adjusted the walls. They used to be around 5 feet on the Go tent. They're right about 34 inches. And then we're gonna walk in. We got about a peak height of about 6 feet, 8 inches. So you have standing room from literally the front to the back. Again, this is a 10 by 10 Go tent. When we designed this tent, we were looking for 3 things. One, you want to be able to sit on your cot and have your head not hit the roof. The other thing we wanted was standing height from front to back. Again, 6'8" peak height works for a lot of folks. And then we also wanted the ability to make this a hot tent, right? So a hot tent, as you can see, has a stove jack, all that kind of stuff. Stuff that makes Davis tent a little bit different. We've got Sunforger treated canvas. We've got double stitch right here. We have reinforcements along the peak, in the front and the back, and the 4 corners are also reinforced. This particular tent has a sewn-in floor. We've got a stove mat. We've got a window, which can obviously has a flap to zip up. This tent also has a screen door and what's called our Colorado door. If I were hunting solo, this is my basic setup. I've just got a cot in the corner, a chair, you can see my gear, and then I got a table I can cook in here or cook off the stove if I want to. If you were running 2 people, I would just eliminate these 2 tables and then just put another cot right here. You can get 3 cots in here if you're not using a stove. So like if you're using it in the summer, those kinds of things.
All right, so Taylor, when people are looking at a canvas tent, one of the questions that comes up, or especially for those that have never set up a canvas tent before, is they look at something like this and there's a lot of wow factor to this. But talk to us a little bit in terms of setup time. What's involved in that and how long will it take somebody that, let's say after 3 or 4 times setting up something like this, how long would it take you on average to set it up?
Yeah, so we say this tent, like on our website, can be set up in 15 to 20 minutes. That'd be if you're really moving. I took my time this morning. I set this tent up in my backyard. I literally took a video of it. It took me about 30 minutes. Really, all you need is the stakes that come with the tent. You need a hammer or something like that. It's very, very basic. You just get stakes in all 4 corners. That's how you support the walls. Then you go in here with your 3-piece ridge. There's literally 3 pieces, and then there's 2 uprights, one in the front, one in the back. And then after that, you're just staking everything down. Like I said, I did about 30 minutes this morning, and I was taking my time.
All right, and let's play show and tell and play that right now. All right, so now Taylor, there are two sizes to this tent. You have the 10 by 10, and then you have a larger 12 by 12?
That's correct.
Okay,
we just developed that this year.
Okay, fantastic. And these tents are made in Colorado?
Yep, they're made in our shop in Denver, right where I-25 and I-70 meet. We got a big shop there where you can literally stand in one of our tents and see our seamstresses sewing the tents. I think we're doing that next.
Indeed. Let's go.
And this is the actual tent that's actually installed inside the facility, as you can see here. And you know what's such amazing about this here, being so close up to this, you can really get a sense of the quality, the craftsmanship, boy, you know what, when you think about it, 1955 they've been making these. That's some serious pedigree, and it shows in every one of these tents that these guys make. What was amazing about this tour was I got to meet a lot of the talent that responsible for these amazing tents that this company makes. This gentleman right here, for example, he's been there at Davis Tents for 40 years. Talk about amazing. Talk about really knowing what you're doing. I bet you this guy can make one of these tents, sew one of these tents with his eyes closed. Amazing talent. And while we were walking around on this tour here, this machine, I was really floored. Now, I've seen machines similar to this, like that are either cutting through steel or wood or whatever it may be. This right here takes these ginormous rolls of canvas, and depending upon the tent that they're working on, it just cuts out all these pieces, and it optimizes or minimizes the leftover excess canvas that they can't use. Pretty cool stuff watching how this is being made.
So anytime you see a pencil, that's just marking where the Colorado door is. Anytime you see a punch, that's marking where the screen door goes. That's where the sewer is going to put on the screen. You end up with your front left door and your back right door, and then you do the opposite and it makes a pair.
You know what's funny is, as I was going through my tour here and watching these people that are just so great at what they do, this gentleman right here putting in the eyelets, it was so therapeutic watching him do his craft here. And again, like I mentioned earlier, these people just really strike me as they can do this with their eyes closed. This gal right here who's sewing the screens for the tent, another example. You know, I believe she was there. She's been there for over 12 years. That is absolutely crazy when you look at the seniority or the length of time that these people have been at Davis Tents, which again leans into the quality of tent that you're getting at the end of the day. And as I button up this video, I have to give a big shout out to Davis Tents for allowing me to stop in there and see these things in person. You know, I don't know about you, but I've always gotten geeked out with, back in the day, there was a How It's Made show. I think it was on Discovery Channel, but I would I used to love sitting down and watching that show. And it's always interesting, especially when you could see something like this. Again, one thing that you've heard me echo over and over again on this video here is how long some of these people have been working there. Again, upwards of 40 plus years. That is amazing. And when you see the craftsmanship and just the skill in what they're doing, at the end of the day, you can really start piecing together why Davis Tents has the reputation in the canvas space that it does, because the people behind it, these people really know what the heck they're doing, and they can do it with their eyes closed. And Davis Tents, if you happen to come across this video, thank you so much for the hospitality. Thank you for allowing me to come up there, turn on my cameras, and share how these tents are made for the folks that are watching this video. It was such an extraordinary opportunity. So again, thank you very much. And the rest of you here, if you have any questions whatsoever, by all means, leave a comment down below. The Davis folks over there, this is, clearly a company that really resonates with quality, really resonates with the product that they are sending out into the universe and so forth. So if you have any questions, again, I'm going to put some links down below so you can take a look firsthand at what makes Davis Tents so unique, so special, and definitely a tent worth you taking a look at.